Hey everyone, welcome to Coding Bhaiya. My name is Srijan and I am currently a first year B.Tech student and B.Tech CSE student. So let me be upfront about something. I am not expert. I am not here to give you polished all-knowing tutorials. I am literally on the same boat as most of you watching this. So and figuring out what actually coding is, right? A lot of channels are run by experienced developers or tutors, and that's great, right? But it sometimes feels hard to relate to someone who is 5 years ahead of you. So I thought, why not start a channel where you can learn with someone who is right at the starting line instead of someone who already at the finish line, right? So that exactly what Coding Bhaiya is going to be. Here's what you can expect from this channel is I'll be sharing um, concepts as I learn them, in the way most in the simplest way possible. I'll be solving DSA problems and showing you my actual thought process. I'll be building real projects step by step so you can follow along and build them too. And I'll be sharing my honest journey, like first year exams, coding struggles, and eventually placement preparation, all of it, like as it happens. So this is not going to be a perfect channel, perfect expert channel. It's going to be a real one. If I get something wrong, I'll tell you, and if I figure something out, I'll show you exactly how I am doing it. So if you are a first year student or just starting your coding journey and feeling a bit lost, so this channel is for you. We are going to learn together step by step. So do me a favor, subscribe Coding Bhaiya so you don't miss the next video, because that is where we will actually start coding. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.